And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 331. Let us go over the other eraser 2 features right here. First one is this airbrush. It's a build-up effect. When it's disabled, you can see you left click once, and that's what you get. But when you enable it, you left click and you hold, this will be reapplied. And this is why it's kind of like a build-up effect. So when you enable it, it performs like a real spray can. And therefore, whatever you've got set as an opacity, this will be added time and time again. Let me switch to a hard round here and I'll show you the smoothness. The 0% and here's 100%. First up it looks like with 100% and it's lagging, but it's actually smoothing out your hand movements. So when you have it at 0%, you might get uneven edges, and when you increase that, all of these little movements of your hand, they will be kind of like leveled out, and this gives you then sharper edges, as you can see here compared with a zigzag line. Then we have 3 modes, brush, pencil, and there's also a new one which is block. And the block will actually give you the specific pixel size, and it will disable all of the other functions, so you cannot adjust the size, for example, anymore. Usually you want to keep that to brush. And we've got here the erase to history. I don't want to go over that because this is simply the brush history that I've talked about, I believe, 2 videos ago. If it's totally new to you, check out my Photoshop playlist. This is simply the same feature. Then we have an angle feature where you can rotate your brushes, and we have 2 icons. The first one here is for pressure. So when you use a pen, a graphic tablet, that's important because it then will detect and use the pressure that you apply. And here once more we have the drawing symmetry that I've also talked about 2 or 3 videos ago. So the symmetry doesn't just work on drawing tools but also on erasing tools. And these are the, let me call it, more intermediate, more advanced features of the eraser tool. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.